I did earn it.
How?
I've been also doing chores for grandmother.
Yes. Well, that's what I give you, not what your mother gives you. And
No, Mom gives me $20 every month. And that's
Whoa!
I don't know about that, but okay.
Where's your mask? Huh? No, I could have got more, but I was like, how many dumplings do we need? 12?
Come look so you can go hurt him.
2 each.
I want the family.
I got
No, get the
I want
booklets
the
out. The
family TV.
booklets will tell you which one is what.
This is the one with the trophies, I think.
What the heck? Did you see that? That dog jumped up there like it's supposed to be up there. Yeah.
Oh, this is cute. Okay,
Okay,
so it
here we
doesn't
go.
say anything, so just choose one. It's like one of those red envelope things.
No, but
just choose
back
one.
3. This
No,
is the
I
one
know.
that
No,
it
no,
says.
no, no, no. No, you have to choose one randomly.
Are you dumb? That's the instructions
Yes,
from Mom.
exactly.
Oh,
choose
but
it
the
then.
picture shows what it is. Oh, so this is the one I got. Number 6. This is number 6.
Uncle Tim has ruined it. Wait, this is bag 4.
Oh, well, then get back 4.
No.
take pictures.
No, Nero, you picked number 3. You said that was the picture, so there you go.
Number 7. Give me book number 7.
I want to
Yeah.
build the sausage.
No, book
That's
number
mine.
6. You have number 6?
No, actually,
That's mine.
Okay, I was.
Give grandma number 7.
Oh, number 7.
Give grandma number 7.
Take 7.
Then 7. Yes.
Number 7.
Oh no, it's bag
Open
number
for
5.
tape.
Are you stupid?
Hey, no.
That's
Look.
bag number 2. Okay.
Open the first page.
Oh, bag number 6 is
Yeah, I got
should have been grandma because it's the old people.
Okay, I'll take 6.
You want old people?
Yeah, I'll take 6.
Okay, so give me that one. That's number 7.
No, hey, that's mine.
No.
Me go trade it. I'm gonna build it like how the thing says it.
Maybe you should have scissors.
This one's bag number 1 and 2. Whoever builds this one gets to build 2 things.
Okay, me.
I have 4.
I'll do 1 and 2.
I'm gonna build it how it says. It says
Number 1.
separate your pieces by color.
Yes.
Yeah, I love it.
Is this going to take all day?
Yeah.
No, just all 9.
I'll help you.
I'm interested in a lot of things, and you probably are too. So please take a look at my side channels, TD Valley Boy 75 and the TD Damits channel. So please check out my side channels. Enjoy the rest of the video.
This one is Uncle
I'm
Tim.
not a fan of stickers, but
Oh my god, why there's so much time?
because you probably didn't even first start yet.
Oh no, she put on too much.
I didn't touch it.
Not you.
I'm just a cheating.
How
they
many
were dumb
sheets are
bitch.
here?
Very nice.
Uncle Tim identifies as a girl last time I checked.
I identify it as a lesbian.
Uncle Tim, can you stop filming? I thought this was supposed to be family
Yeah, I
time.
said
It is.
don't do that.
21.
So he like
No.
Could someone take this to the fan?
let's spin it.
Yeah, and spin it.
No,
Hey, what you doing, girl?
we're not going to.
It's gonna land and it's gonna crack. What's up, baby girl? Cool. Where? Shoot. Hey, I'm
I was trying to get action video from high up in the world.
Don't get high.
Okay, something happened to his hair. I can't find his hair.
It's a woman. Oh wait, no, it is a guy.
Grab it in that bag.
Sometimes Goma's correct. Goma doesn't like pronouns, but she knows how to use them.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Tim, stop it.
Really?
It's gonna fall on you, Nero.
You're so goddamn slow.
That's who is good.
Hold on. Let's see.
Uncle Tim's acting like Dr. Fauci.
What the hell? Who is that?
You don't know who Dr. Fauci is?
Some political dude. He talks about
that-
the CDC and stuff like that. I think.
He's kind of not political, but he used political standpoints. So.
No, Uncle Tim's Ben Shapiro, where he just complains about leftists. and
Ben
people.
Shapiro's kind of funny though.
I know he is kind of funny, but some of the stuff he says is kind
Okay,
of
he's
retarded.
done.
Nice.
He's retarded.
Hands off my cock.
Shut up,
Is
chicken.
there a chicken?
No, that's a meme.
Is it about chicken?
Have you seen that meme, Caroline? I know you probably have.
I just said no.
I know you probably have.
I just
Yeah,
said
don't say
no.
it like that. That's
I
disgusting.
know you probably have.
Yeah, well, I said no.
I know you probably have.
Yeah.
I know you probably have.
Whoa.
Then you don't like Lego, because that's how it's always been.
I don't know. I'm missing a piece. It's somewhere in here.
That's why you gotta separate them by
I'm
color.
not missing a piece, but they give me two pieces that are not the same color, that are supposed to be the same color. but Whatever.
You're not helping.
Put it on, check the floor. Is that yours or mine? That one clear over there.
I
No,
don't know.
it should be every.
Every
Open
bag
the
is-
book up. How are you gonna know what to do next if you don't look at the instructions? Instructions are helpful.
I said I will help you. Just
Instructions.
Picture.
There's a lot of unique
will work.
pieces in there.
Uncle Tim, why don't you just steal everybody's thing?
So everybody's what thing?
Everybody's, because we all got our own set, Uncle Tim.
I don't know what you
So
mean by
can you
that.
stop filming?
I'm not filming. If I was filming, I'd be using a camera. This is called videotaping,
Stop recording.
and it's not called taping either. It's called
Stop recording.
or it. I think it's a baby black widow, actually.
No, it's not.
You think it's just a garden variety?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. You can tell a little stripe on the back.
I knew it was, or it could be a jumping spider, like I said. It's trying to attack.
Oh shoot! You're gonna freak me out, fool.
It's trying to.
COVID is doing us good
So
already.
Devin
so then this one.
got. Is that a sticker on the
Not
forehead?
bad.
Oh, I didn't.
By the way, there's a sticker for this blue
Oh,
thing
so
right.
that's a printed
It was
piece.
pretty even, wasn't
I
it?
didn't use any stickers.
Oh, printed piece. All
There's a
right.
sticker for this blue thing, but
And you
it's in
didn't do
an
it.
advertisement.
This goes on the
Yeah, because why would I do that?
Well, stickers are part of the stickers.
Done it.
I'm gonna do
What
it
do you do
until
this?
if I get
So
the
that
sticker
goes in that.
pad.
Oh, like
So
a
you take-
table.
Oh.
Until then,
So
I'm
you're
not
gonna
doing it.
take this.
Oh, what?
Here's another bag.
Oh,
Oh,
crap.
no wonder you can't finish
Well,
yours.
I don't want all of this.
You have to have all of it.
Let me help you out. Okay.
Oh, how cute
So you
this
did
is.
this.
Yeah, anyway,
Now
I
This is
finished
what I
mine.
need, this one.
Yes, so let's open this
I'm
up.
missing a piece.
This has a TV and an aquarium in it. Ooh, I never seen a clock that said 23:59. Damn.
That's not a TV, it's a computer.
Dude.
Remember, it's
That's
China,
this one
Uncle
here.
Tim.
This, yeah.
Hey, was that a sticker?
And this one goes right there.
The clock?
I know how that goes
Yeah.
now.
That was a sticker?
Ow.
Shoot. Should have looked at. Oh yeah, it was a sticker.
No, okay, here. Then you could put
Wow.
this little red dial. in
23:59. Oh, I see. It's midnight, so they're gonna celebrate at midnight Chinese New Year, and they're building together just like a good community.
There was a plane crash this recently, and
Place it right here.
the people who died were something Wong. Remember, have you seen that one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Like
yeah. Overall, it was a pretty good build. Look. Fun thing to do as a group, and yeah, some fun conversation, some fun building, some good techniques. A lot of really super unique building techniques in this set, and overall it was pretty cool, and also came with a lot of extra pieces, which is always nice. Get some bonus pieces. after you build. If you want to leave a comment and tell me what the name of this character is, it would be pretty nice. I've seen him. I'll even include a picture of where I saw him before.
Ray, why you put on
I'll grab my mom just with chocolate. With coconut.
With coca.
Why are you being mad?
Coca chocolate.
Hey, guy. Give the dog some chocolate.
No.
How about the knife? She's giving it your vid.
It's not that bad.
Sex bit.
That's really sick.
Okay. I bet you would do.
Hey, Callan, stay, hey, Callan, stay here. Come here, Tommy.
No.
Tommy? No, just come, Tommy.
Oh! You're a jerk.